In response to the pandemic situation, IISc is developing a mobile COVID testing facility. This unique concept will have a deep reach to remote locations. It can be quickly deployed and will enable rapid testing and report generation. Safety features and protocol have been designed in compliance with ICMR and WHO guidelines. The entire facility can be deployed within 24 hours to any location in any district within a state. The hub and its satellite labs can travel to COVID-19 infected districts areas, with the hub parked at an accessible location. The fleet of mobile labs for sample collection, processing, and testing will travel through the district collecting and analyzing samples. At the end of the day, the mobile labs will return to the hub for storage, bio-waste disposal, and for refueling of consumables and PPE. Sample collection van will travel to remote locations and collect patient samples. The van has a dedicated sample collection area. Complete isolation of the technicians and the patient offers a safe protocol of handling the sample collections. Technician 1 collects the nasopharyngeal swabs and stores it in the VTM tube. The patient sanitizes the surface and places it in the storage box kept next to the collection area. Technician 2 again prepares the collection booth for next sample collection. Technician 1 allocates the samples into 3 replicates in the Class 2 biosafety cabinet. One part of the sample gets deactivated, and a batch of such samples is sent to Van 2 for further processing. Remaining 2 parts of the sample will be sent to storage for future analysis. In the mobile sample processing lab, samples are received in a color box through the double-door transfer hatch from Van 1 to be processed here for RNA isolation. The RNA extraction and isolation is performed in the Class 2 biosafety cabinet. Isolated RNA samples are sent to Van 3 for RT-PCR testing. In the mobile sample testing lab, RNA samples are added to the preloaded reagent vial in the template addition area. The vials are then placed the RT-PCR device, along with preloaded control vials, and reports are recorded after the analysis. There are 4 dedicated zones in this mobile container warehouse. The stock reagent is allocated to prepare preloaded reagent vials, and control vial is loaded with the control templates and sealed under the hood in the first zone. These are then transferred to testing van via tube transfer protocol. Second is the warehouse zone for keeping the PPEs and consumables. The third zone has the storage facility for storing RNA and VTM samples. The fourth zone contains the biowaste management unit. Preloaded reagent vials are aseptically transferred from the hub to the testing lab via the transfer tube system. Once received, these reagents are stored under refrigerated conditions in the testing lab. As India gears up its fight against COVID-19, the solution will decentralize and enable rapid testing. The facility is designed in compliance with ICMR and WHO guidelines, ensuring all safety protocols being incorporated. As testing increases, it will enable the resumption of economic activities with prior safety assurance. The deployed system can be easily reused to diagnose and screen for other infectious diseases, such as tuberculosis. This unique concept will create a long-lasting improvement in healthcare and help socio-economic growth. Thank you and have a safe day.